Hey beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires and I'm here again with another video doing a frontal sew-in install. I know I've been gone for a very long time, so please forgive me. I'm dropping gems today and let's start with this tutorial. So I'm braiding her hair straight back and making sure that her braids are flat because for a frontal sew-in you want to make sure that your client's hair is flat. So I'm just braiding back, connecting the braids, braiding back, connecting the braids. So we all know about the stocking cap method. I will be using that method today because I want to create a new scalp for my client. I don't want any of those black hairs showing through the lace, and I want to protect her edges as well. So right here, I did not sew the frontal on yet. I'm just sizing it, making sure that the frontal actually fits her head, and I'm making a new hairline with this frontal for her. So I'm cutting off the excess lace and the excess hair that doesn't need to be there. Alright, here's my masterpiece. This lace looks like it could be her own hair. Literally, what lace? Looks amazing. And I haven't even glued it down yet. The glue I'm using today is from Jesus Christ himself. I call him up every single day. I'd be like, JC, I need that glue, man. And it's literally amazing. It's called Jesus Christ Holy Lace Glue. Best glue in the world. Better than any glue I've ever used. So with this glue, you want to make sure that the glue is flat, smooth out, because you do not want it to get white or clumpy, because one, that will not go well with the lace. It won't look natural. And it will cause the lace to lift up early. So make sure it's smoothed out and it's dry before you apply that lace onto the glue. When I apply my lace onto the glue, I make sure that it's flat and that I'm pressing the lace down. So make sure that your lace is flat and you're pressing it down onto the glue so it can, melt. It can look very seamless. So people won't, come up to your client and be like, I see your laces, it's not looking good. You want to make sure that it's flat, nice, and flawless. So after I glue on my lace, do my baby hairs, I set my lace, and while I'm setting it, I'm sewing the tracks behind the lace frontal. I never sew the tracks before I do my lace frontal. I want to give my lace frontal time to set, and I don't want to make any mistakes and sew hair where the lace frontal needs to be. And when you're sewing the tracks, you want to make sure you're just going straight. Don't curve it. Don't go in circular motion. Don't do none of that. Just keep going straight, left and right, or right or left, however you feel. But make sure that the hair is sewn down flat. So when I'm done sewing the tracks down, I style it to how my client wants it, and I want you guys to see her reaction.
I've never had this hairline. I like it. Oh, this is different. I look different.
You look different.
Oh my. Oh yeah.
So for this lace frontal sew-in, my client wanted her install to look very natural and very seamless. So this is deep wavy hair and she wanted to keep these waves. So all I did was wet them, and she wanted a side part with really none to little baby hairs. So that's what we did, and this install looks so natural and so flawless. I love it so much. To achieve this look, you can go to my website and order a deep wavy lace front wig or deep wavy hair to achieve the same look in 14 inches. And I'm just really loving it. It looks super natural. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Also, if you want to book with me, you can do that when you click the link in my description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.